Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP, ABAP tip 51. So within this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can easily implement an enhancement in standard SAP functionality and standard SAP coding. So as an example, here right now I'm in the function builder, so the transaction SE37, and I would like to show how to implement an enhancement based on this SAP standard function module call_browser. If we go into the display mode here, then we end up in this call browser coding. And regarding enhancements, it's important that within the standard, at the beginning and at the end of every function module, method, program, and so on, you can add implicit enhancements. Also, as we can see later on, you have the chance to implement own enhancement points to explicitly get the chance to enhance your coding. But as mentioned at the beginning and at the end, you can use implicit enhancement. And to make them available, you have to open up Edit and then Enhancement Operations, and then you have to choose the option Show Implicit Enhancement Options. Once you've done this, then you can see that this line has been added right at the beginning of this function module, and if we're scrolling down to the end, then within here we can also see this comment. And if we would like to create a new enhancement, then this line is mandatory and you have to set the focus into this line, and then you have to click on this enhance button or use the shortcut Shift and F4. Once you've done this, then you can see that the editor has changed a little bit. Here on the left hand side, there we've seen another bar, another column, and here we can see some kind of gray arrow, and also at the end where this comment has been added. And the next, also we can see that here in the toolbar 4 buttons have been added, and with these buttons you can create, change, replace and delete basically an enhancement implementation, and we would like to create an enhancement. And therefore here click on this button, create enhancement implementation, or use the shown shortcut. Here it's important you have to distinguish whether you would like to choose the type declaration or code. If we click on the info button, then here you can see basically the description, the detailed description of these two types. The declaration is an unconditional call, and the enhancement is visible in all clients of the system, and the conditional call is a dynamic enhancement that is depending on the current switch settings of the client. So depending whether you would like to declare some variables or declare some settings, choose declarations, or if you would like to implement some code and logic, then you choose code. For demo purpose, I choose code. Then in here we can see that I have already created one enhancement implementation that I could use in here by just clicking and then continue, but I would like to create a new one. In this pop-up here, you can just enter set ERP UP test, for example, and here implicit enhancement test, and then we click on this creation of enhancement button. Here you have to specify a package. In my case, I just would like to link it to my $TMP package, so I click on local object. Here now I have created the new enhancement, so then I choose this. And here you can see that now I'm using the first enhancement in here, and here I can add my logic, so add my own ABAP coding as an implicit enhancement, what you like to, and also what you can do. For example, here you can, for example, replace the standard coding, and then at the end, for example, you can just add an exit to go out of this function module to not execute the standard coding. So this is one way how you can replace the whole standard logic without doing a modification. So in my case, if you would like to make some changes, so you can still, for example, if I'm saving this and if I activate now the enhancement, here we can see we have an active version. And if I, for example, would like to change this, just simply once again go into the change mode here. So let's open this, for example, once again up to show you this. So in display mode, here we have our enhancement. So then click on enhance, and then here you can go to change your enhancement afterwards. In here I would like to delete this, so then I click on this enhancement and then I click on undo, and then basically this is gone. And now if I activate this, then I have also deleted this enhancement. If we, for example, have a closer look into the program of the transaction Miro, so this one, then here you can see that there are a lot of includes, but what you also can see is that within here you have so-called enhancement point or points basically available. And with these enhancement points, you have the chance in between, so not at the beginning, not at the end of an ABAP program or a function module, to add your custom logic, your enhancement. Here you can explicitly enter and add your custom logic. And if you, for example, would like to create an own enhancement point, therefore we go to the SE38, so the ABAP editor. And then, for example, let's just open up this program. And let's, for example, just for demo purpose, in here, I would like now to add an enhancement point. You can do this also in here. Therefore, you have to go to Edit, Enhancement, Operation, and then you have to choose Create Option. After this, in here, you have, first of all, specify the enhancement point. So for example, set _ERP _up. You have here to specify what you would like to type it as an unconditional call. So a declaration or an unconditional call. So a code, in this case, an conditional call. And in here you can add an enhancement spot. Also with this append row, if you have already one, you can add another one. And here, for example, set ERP up, for example, here enhancement spot, and you have to link it to a package. So as mentioned, $TMP. So this is fine, and then you have to go to continue. And within here, you have now your enhancement point where you can explicitly allow some enhancements. And once again, if you would like to include some enhancements in here, go here to enhance. And yes, I would like to save it, of course, first. And then you can create an enhancement. And here, for example, set ERP UP test once again. So just enter test, continue. Okay, I have, of course, already created this earlier. So let's add it to a package. $TMP is fine. And here you have now also add an enhancement point in your own logic and an enhancement implementation. And yeah, by said this, I have already created and published a video about enhancements in the SAP system. I will link the corresponding videos to get you more information about enhancements. And yeah, by said this, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video and please subscribe this YouTube channel to not miss great upcoming videos. 49 great videos about ABAP tips and tricks are still available and left. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.